Good afternoon, students. So in the last class, we have seen the tabular minimization of logic expression by tabular method. No? So I will explain you one more example. Uh, so minimize the given Boolean given expression by using the tabular method. This f of a, b, c, d equal to summation of m of 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, and 14. Okay, this is also a four variable uh, Boolean expression. Okay, so first of all, what you should do is have to, so step one, so you have to make a table. Okay, so here these are group. Okay, and min terms, and binary representation. Binary representation. These are A, B, C, and D. Okay, so you see, uh, so these are the min terms. So for 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so for 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 5. So this is the binary representation of given min terms. And 5, 0, 1, 0, 1, 6, 6 is not there, no? So 7 next. 7. Okay. 7, 0, 1, 1, 1, 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, 9, 1, 0, 0, 1, 11, 1, 0, 1, 1, 14, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So now, uh, so one second, here 0 is also there. Okay. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 14. Okay. So for 0, for 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So one second.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Now is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, uh, so if you see, you have three. Uh, so this is 3, 5, and 9 having two number of ones. Okay. So 0, 0, 1, 1, and a 0, 1, 0, 1 binary representation of 5, and this is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So next you need to make group 3. So group 3. So you need to see for uh, three number of ones. So you have 7, 11, and 14. Okay. So this is group 3, 7, 11, and 14. Okay. So what is 7? The binary 11 is 1011. Okay. And the 14 is 1110. Okay. So you made, this is step 1. Okay. And the step 2, you need to see the table present in step 2. Okay. So you need to see the table present in the step 2. Okay. So here itself I am writing, I am drawing the table step 2, step 2. Hmm. So so group, minterms, minterms, binary representation, binary representation. Okay. So here this is A, B, C, and D. Okay. So if you see this this one, so you need to check 0 and 1. Okay. So 0 and 1. Okay. So if you check 0 and 1, what is 0? 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So this will be differ by 1 bit. So you can write 0, 0, 0 dash. Okay. So that means group 0. So you have to compare with the nth group and n plus 1th group, consecutive group. Okay. So that is 0, 1. Okay. So what you are getting 0, 0, 0 dash. Okay. And next, if you see, next 0, 2. Okay. So 0, 2, if you see, so what you are getting, so 0 is 0 0 0 0 and 2 is 0 0 1 0. Okay, so if you see, if you compare this, so what you are getting, okay, so that means 0 comma 2, so you are getting 0 0 dash 0. Okay, so whatever the different term is there, that is represented as dash. And next, so you make tick mark 0 and 2, and next you compare 0 and 8. Okay, so 0 is 0 0 0 0 and 8 is 1 0 0 0. Okay, so this is differ by 1 bit, so you can write this as dash 0 0 0. Okay, so this is 0 8, you can write dash 0 0 0. Okay, so this will be group 0. Okay, so 0 and 8 I checked. Okay, and coming to the group 1, so take 1. Okay, so what is the binary representation for 1? 0 0 0 1 and 3 0 0 1 1. Okay, so this is also differ by 1 bit, so this one you can write as 0 0 dash 0. Okay, so what is my number? 1 comma 3. Okay, so 0 0 dash uh, sorry 1 0 0 dash 1. Okay, and next compare 1 comma 5. Okay, so if you compare 1 comma 5, so 1 is 0 0 0 1 and 5 is 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is also differ by 1 bit, you can write 0 dash 0 1. Okay, so this is anyway 1 comma 3 was over, say place the tick mark 1 comma 5. Okay, so 1 comma 5, so 1 is already there, no need to make the tick mark. Okay, so 0 dash 0 1. Okay, and next 1 comma 9, we check 1 comma 9. 1 is 0 0 0 1 and 9 is 1 0 0 1. Okay, so again it is differ by 1 bit, you can write dash 0 0 1. Okay, so 1 comma 9 dash 0 0 1. Okay, so uh, so next mm, next take 2 comma 3. Okay, so 1 comma 9 is over, 2 comma 3, so 2 comma 3 means, so see here,
Sir, in step 1, why you have not taken min term 15, sir?
15 is not there, no? The problem 15 is not there, no? The problem,
Okay, sir.
yeah, okay, so in the problem whatever the min terms are given, that's why those min terms only we should take. Okay, so here and next uh, you are comparing 8 comma 9, comparing 8 comma 9. Okay, so what is 8? I'm writing here 8 is 1 0 0 0 and 9 is 1 0 0 1. Okay, so this is differ by 1 bit, you can write 1 0 0 dash. Okay, so 8 comma 1 is 1 0 0 dash. Okay, so the different number is represented as 1 0 0 dash. Okay, so 8 comma 9, so 8 comma 9 already it has ticked, no need to tick again. Okay, so next so group 1 is over, so next I need to do group 2. So group 2 means comparing the group 2 and group 3 elements. Okay, so group 2, so if you see, so group 2, mm, so if you see the group 2, let us take 3 comma 7. Okay, so 3 comma 7 means what is 3? So 3 is 3 is 0 0 1 1 and 7 is 0 1 1 1. Okay, So it is differ by 1 bit. You can write 0 dash 1 1. Okay.
Sir,
Any doubt?
sir, in group 1, binary representation for 2 and 3, sir.
2 and 3.
001 dash.
0 0. Sorry. 0 0 1 dash. Okay. 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 Nice, Amma. You are understanding. Okay. So so see here, 3 comma 7. What you got? 3 comma 7. This is 0 dash 1 1. Okay. And next 3 comma 11. 3 comma 11. 3 is 0 0 1 1 and 11 is 1 0 1 1. Okay. So it is differ by 1 bit. So you can write dash 0 1 1. Okay. So that means the dash 0 1 1. Okay. So next 5 comma 7. So take 5 comma 7. So take this 5 comma 7. So what is 5? 5 is 0 1 0 1 and 7 is 0 1 1 1. So it is differ by 1 bit. Okay. So you can write 0 1 dash 1. Okay. So 5 comma 7 is. So we check 3 comma 7, 3 comma 7 and 3 comma 11. Okay. Anyway, 3 is there. No need to check again. Okay. And next 3 comma 11 also over. So 3 comma 11 is over. 5 comma 7. So this is 5 comma 7 0 1 dash 1. Okay. And next you check for 9. 9 is for how much in the binary? 1001 and 11 is 1011. Okay. So this becomes different. Okay. So this is differ by 1 bit. So it becomes 10 dash 1. Okay. So 9 comma 11. So 0 9 comma 11. No? So 9 is 1001 and next 9 comma 11 1011. One second. So if you see 9 1001 and next 11 1011. So this is 1 10 dash 1. Okay. So 10 dash 1. So this is over. So table 2, step 2 is over. Okay. So see here. So I take this all these terms, but this 14 is not matching with any of this group. Okay, either it is group 1 or group 2 or group 3. So this 14 is nothing but the essential prime implicant. Okay, at the last we'll see this one. Okay, so next you have to draw the step 3. So step 3. So you have to draw the table in the step 3 by seeing the table in step 2. Okay, so So these are the binary representations. Okay. So group, minterm. Okay. Binary representation. A, B, C, D. Okay. So let us take group 0. Okay. So group 0, if you see, so group 0. So let us take 0, 1, 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. Okay. So what is 0, 1? So here I am writing 0, 1 is what? 0, 0, 0 dash. Okay. So 2, 3. So what is 2, 3? 2, 3 is 0, 0, 1 dash. Okay. So this is differ by 1 bit. You can write this one as 0, 0 dash dash. Okay. So this is 0, 0 dash dash. Okay. And next 0, 1, so this is over. 0, 1, 2, 3 is over. Okay, so take this 0, 1 and 2, 3, and 0, 1, 8, 9 is there. Okay, so here I am writing 0, 1 is 0, 0, 0 dash, and 8, 9. What is 8, 9? 1, 0, 0 dash. Okay, so all are safe. This is differ by one bit. You can write a dash 0, 0 dash. Okay, so this is a dash 0, 0 dash. Okay, and next 0, 2, 1, 3. Okay, now take this one 0, 1 and 8, 9. Okay, and next here itself I am writing. So next 0, 0, 2. If you see 0, 2, what is 0, 2? 0, 0 dash 0, and 1, 3. You see 1, 3, 0, 0 dash 1. Okay, so it is differ by one bit. You can write 0, 0 dash dash. Okay, so colon. So that means 0, 0 dash dash. Okay, so 0, 2, 0, 2, and next 1, 3. Over are over. Okay, and next, so next if you see next 0, 8, 0, 8, 1, 9. Okay, so what is 0, 8? 0, 8 is dash 0, 0, 0. 1, 9, 1, 9 is dash 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is differ by one bit, so you will get dash 0, 0 dash. Okay, so dash 0, 0 dash. Okay, so 0, 8 and 1, 9 is over. Okay, so again if you compare any of this will be not matched with 1 comma 5. Okay, so the bits are different. Okay, so now coming to the group 1. So 1, 3, 5, 9. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 9. So uh, so 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 if you see 0, 0 dash 1 and 5, 9. You see 5, 9, 5, 9 which is there in the uh, 1 second. 5, 9, 0, 1, 0, 1. So here I am writing. So 1, 3. So what is 1, 3? 0, 0 dash 1 and 5, 9. 5, 9 is 1, 3, not 5, 9, 5, 7. This is 5, 7. Okay, so 5, 7 if you see 0, 1 dash 1. Okay, so this is differ by one bit. You can write 0 dash dash 1. Okay, so this is 0 dash dash 1. Okay, so 1, 3 is over and 5, 5, 7 is over. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so this is over. And next 1, 3, 1, 3, 9, 11. Okay, so 1, 3, 9, 11 if you see you will get 0, sorry, dash, directly I am writing uh, dash 0 dash 1. Okay, so 1, 3, 9, 11. Okay, and next 1, 5, 3, 7. Okay, so what is 1 comma 5? So 1 comma 5 is 0 dash 0, 1, and 3 comma 7 is 0 dash 1, 1. Okay, so this is differ by one bit 0 dash dash 1. Okay, we'll get 0 dash dash 1. Okay, and next 1 comma 9. So 3 comma 7 is completed. 1 comma 5, 3 comma 7 is completed, and next 1 comma 9 and 3 comma 11. So what is 1 comma 9? 1 comma 9 is dash 0 0 1, and 3 comma 11 is 3 comma 11 is dash 0 1 1. Okay, so this is differ by 1 bit, dash 0 dash 1. Okay, dash 0 dash 1. Okay, so all are over. Now so you got prime implicants. Okay, so you got the prime implicants here. This one, if you write the prime implicants, so what are the prime implicants? Prime implicants. So this is uh, A bar, B bar. This is B bar, C bar, and this is A bar, B, A bar, B bar. Okay, and next B C, B bar, C bar. Okay, and A bar, D, and next B bar, D. This one is A bar, D. Okay, and B bar, D bar. Okay, so previously these are nothing but the prime implicants. So previously this is not checked. No, 14 is not checked. This is also one prime implicant. So this one you can write as A, B, C, D bar. Okay, so A, B, C, D bar. Okay, so I drawn these three tables. Okay, I got the function. Okay, so if you write the function, so what you will get? So f equal to f of a comma b comma c comma d, that is equal to a b c d bar, that is 14. Okay, so a bar b bar plus b bar c bar plus a bar d plus b bar d. Okay, so now what you should do? You should draw the prime implicant table. Okay, so you should draw the prime implicant table. Okay, so prime implicant table. Prime implicant table. Okay, so in the prime implicant table, so these are prime implicants. Prime implicants, and next min-terms, decimal representation, okay, and these are the min-terms, okay. So what are the min-terms you have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, and 14. Okay, so so you should write. So what is my first min-term? What is the first prime implicant? A, B, C, D bar. Okay, so min-term is 14. Okay, and next A bar, B bar. Okay, so A bar, B bar means, if you observe in this table, A bar, B bar, how you got 0, 1, 2, 3, no? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. Okay, so this is one more table. And next B bar, C bar. So how you got B bar, C bar? So B bar, C bar equal to, so combining 0, 1 and 8, 9, you got B bar, C bar. Okay, so and next A bar, D. A bar, D, how you got 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, observe this table, last table. So A bar, D equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. B bar, C bar equal to, how you got 0, 1, 8, 9. Okay, so this is A bar, D bar, and next B bar, D. Okay, so how you got B bar, D? So B bar D is 1 3 9 11. See here, last one 1 3 1 9 3 11. Okay, so this is 1 9 3 11. Okay, so now what I should do? So you should so wherever the min terms are there, you should make the cross mark. Okay, so here in 14 the min term is there, and the min term is there in 0 1 and 2 3. Okay, and here 0 1 8 9. Okay, so here 1 3 5 7. Okay, here 1 9 3 11. Okay, so now what you should do? You should circle wherever the one cross mark is there. Okay, so that means uh, hmm. So here this is one cross mark, and this is one cross mark. This is one cross mark. This is one cross mark, and anywhere any cross mark is there, this is one cross mark, and here also one cross mark. Okay, so if you observe this one, this is one essential prime implicant, and this is one essential prime implicant. This is also essential prime implicant, and this is also essential prime implicant. All are essential prime implicants. Okay, so that means the function you should write f of, so that means f of a b c d equal to what? A b bar plus b bar c bar plus a bar d plus b bar d. Okay, so you can verify with the truth k map also. Okay, so what is my expression? So what is in the question he given that f of a b c d equal to what? Summation of m of 0 1 2 3 5 7 8 9 11 and 14 he given. Okay, so you can draw the k map. You can draw the k map and verify your expression whatever you got in the tabular method. Okay, so here I am drawing the k map. So this is AB and this is CD. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, these are the cells. Okay, so now you have to write the ones in the min terms. Okay, these are the min terms. So 0 1 2 3 5 7 8 9 11 and 14. Okay, so this is one quad, this is one quad, and this is also one quad. Okay, and this is one quad. Okay, and this is one more quad, adjacent ones, not adjacent things. This is one, this will not make anything. No, this is one quad. This is one quad. Okay, so so if you draw, this is a bar b bar, a bar d, a b bar, c bar d bar, c bar d, c d, c d bar. So if you see for this one, this is equal to a b c d bar. You got this expression, no? A b c d bar. Okay, and next this is a bar b bar. Okay, you got this expression. Okay, and next if you see this one, a bar is common, and seeing horizontally a bar d. Okay, you got this expression. Okay, and next if you are seeing this one, this term, so b bar in vertical, b bar in horizontal, which is common, b bar c bar, b bar c bar. Okay, you can verify like this. Okay, and if you see this one, okay, so if you see this one, so b bar, and which is common d. Okay, you got this expression. So by K map it is verified, no? By K map the following all the terms are nothing but the essential prime implicants. Okay, no redundant terms are there. All are essential prime implicants that should be compulsory, should be there in the final expression. Okay, so like this you have to do the tabular column, and so in the next class I will tell you some more examples, like you have to include the don't cares also. So when don't cares are given, what you should do? Okay, you have to take the don't cares as the min term, and you have to do the same procedure. I'll explain you. And parallelly, for the 5 variable, I will tell you this tabular method. So one more clause is needed. Okay, so